This is how to prepare your background and get rid of it in a PowerPoint slide. If I click on Tool tab and then Application Options and the Colors tab up here at the top, this right here it says Gradients. I need to change that to one color. You'll notice that just gets one color. I'm going to pick Sky. So it's all going to be one color blue. I click OK and it changes it so it's a solid color. Now I need a rendered picture. I click on Environments and then Inventor Studio, Coffee Pot, Render Image, up here on the far left, Coffee Pot, and then I'm going to, let me make it just a little bigger, Render, and there's my rendered picture. I click on the floppy disk to save it. I'm going to call it MUG, mug, save it on my desktop, save it, close that, finish Inventor Studio just to get that done. And now I go to my PowerPoint slide, which is this color, has a gradient on it, insert, picture, on my desktop, there should be one down here at the bottom, mug, and there it is. I can crop it if I wanted to. It doesn't really matter since it's all going to be invisible, but I'll do it just so you can see me cropping it with this button up here. Click outside of it. Now I click on my picture, so my format button is there. Click on the recolor button here in the top left. Click on Set Transparent Color, and then I click on somewhere on that blue, and that makes it all go away. And now I've got my, I can resize it, I can do whatever I want to it, and it fits in there perfectly. So that's really nice. So that's all I have to do, and I can save that and do whatever I want to with it. Come back here, save, minimize, and I'm good.